Hey guys, in this video I'm going to test out the HyClor Block Magic and see how well it will work to scrub off the calcium buildup or the scale on the towels on the swimming pool. So say here, clean and revive your pool towels with little efforts. Now I don't know if this block is going to work or not, so we're going to test it and try it out. Now I purchased this block at a local hardware store near my house, Balance. So I'm just going to open up the grab and test it out. Okay, here you can see the scale build-up is quite big. Here we've got quite a bit here, and along the side here on the towel. So I'm going to try it out. Okay, so here's the block. I'm not sure if it's going to be wet or not, so I'm just going to rub it against this. Okay, this scale seems to be quite strong. It's rather worn out the block, but not the scale here. What about small one here? Does it work on a small one? Okay, so does it work? Now I think for scale that is not too thick, it definitely come off, but for something like this where it's too thick, you can see here it's quite thick, the build-up is quite too